Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing any accessories that might interfere with the screen. Once done, jot the exact model and OS version so you can match replacement parts and drivers. Boot into safe mode or recovery to isolate software. If touch behaves normally there, software is likely the cause. If double touches persist, make sure to check for physical damage like lifted glass or debris along the bezel before moving to calibration and driver steps. You should update or reinstall the touchscreen driver and firmware next. This often resolves ghost or doubled inputs. Once updated, run the manufacturer calibration tool or the OS touch calibrator to realign sensors. Follow on-screen crosshairs slowly and precisely. If the device has ghost touch suppression or palm rejection settings, disable then re-enable them to reset thresholds. Make sure to test with a diagnostic app and a capacitive stylus to separate hardware faults from software behavior. If software steps fail, you move to the hardware. Open the device and examine the digitizer cable and connectors. You must reseat them and inspect for bent pins or corrosion because loose connections cause double touches. If the flex or digitizer is damaged, replace the digitizer or full display assembly with a compatible part. Once reassembled, perform a factory reset, charge fully, and monitor for 24 hours. If issues persist, one key troubleshooting tip: swap in a known good digitizer to confirm hardware failure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.